Hello guys, welcome to TechGleam. In the previous lecture, I have introduced the concept of variables. It is one of the C tokens. What are C tokens? In C programming, the smallest individual unit is known as a C token. There are six types of C tokens. They are keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, special symbols, and operators. Let us discuss one by one. Keywords. There are some predefined words in C programming which has fixed meaning and cannot be changed. They are called keywords. Following are the keywords in C. We can't use keywords when we declare a variable. Let us take an example. This is a program for addition of two numbers. In this, we use three variables of type integer. We can't use variable names from the predefined keywords in C. So here we can't use keywords from the previous table. Identifiers. Identifiers refers to the name of the variables, functions, structures, and arrays. Identifiers are user defined. Till now, we have declared just variables, and the variable is one of the classification of the identifiers. Identifiers can be composed only of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, underscores, and digits, but should be started with alphabets and underscore. So, we can begin a identifier with 53 characters, 26 capital letters, 26 small letters, and underscore. The best naming convention is to choose a variable name that will help the reader of the program to understand what the variable represents. Every programming language is case sensitive. It means a variable declared sum which starts with S as small letter is different from capital letter. We can't use special characters and spaces while declaring a variable. As memory is large and we declare so many variables in the program, we can't remember all those addresses. So we assign some variable names to the locations and access the data over there. There comes the topic variable. Variable is a name given by a programmer to a memory location in order to hold a value. Next comes the topic constants. Constants are the variables which has fixed value and cannot be changed throughout the program. We can declare a variable as a constant using the keyword const. When we prefix any variable declaration with const keyword, then the variable cannot be changed throughout the program. Even if we change the value, errors are thrown at the compilation time. But in C programming, there is a small trick to change the value of the constant without a compilation error. That is with the help of the pointers. If we point the location of the variable with a pointer and do some manipulations in it, it can't be caught at the compilation time, but a warning is thrown regarding the violation. Next comes the topic strings. When we want to do some operations on group of characters, that is a word or a sentence, we can go for the strings. String is a derived data type from the character data type. So we declare a string as a combination of characters. That is, to declare a string of size 10, we declare it as char str of 10. There are some functions in C such as strcmp to compare two strings, strcpy to copy characters from one string to another string, strlen to find the length of the strings. All these function definitions are written in a standard C library named string.h. I will explain string concepts clearly in a lecture separately dedicated for string operations. Next comes the topic special symbols. On the keyboard, we can observe some symbols on the number buttons. They are called special symbols, which are mostly used as a part of syntax. Without special symbols, we can't perform any arithmetical, logical, relational, and other operations. We can't even write a basic program syntactically without special symbols. I will explain the operators topic in the next video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.